Hello. So I just wanted to make a quick video. Once we have created a bunch of squeeze pages or landing pages, some tips on how to use them. So any of these squeeze pages or landing pages that we create, as long as it's not related to a specific property, the link is not going to expire. So because of that, we can use these over and over again and just rotate through them. I haven't made a lot for myself because I just don't have the time. For other agents, normally I make easily over 100 different squeeze pages. So you can always rotate through these. But what this is going to do, so this first section, any of these links are going to bring the lead to my website where they can see a market report for these areas. This next section is going to bring the leads to my website where they can enter in their address and pull up a CMA for anybody in any of these locations. And then I have a list of properties without any HOAs. Reduced properties, properties with pools, which I will use in the summer or the hotter months, fixer uppers, just listed, short sales, foreclosures, open house. This is all just based on county, but and you can create with them as specific as you want. If you want to focus on neighborhoods and you want to target market, or if you want to keep it more general, you can do that. It's completely up to you. So what we're going to do, let's see. We're going to take one of these links. I'm just going to use my Hootsuite because it's super easy to do. And it's going to post on all my platforms. I only have to create one post. So I pick the time that I want to post this and the platforms I want to post on. I'm going to add that link in here. We're also going to go to our open media library and we're going to pick some photos. So let's do a picture of a kitchen. Oh, of course I can't find it when I'm doing this. That's fine. Okay, so we're going to close our library so we can keep seeing what this post is going to look like. And this, just so you remember, was our just listed. And you can put anything that you want in here. So anything you think is going to catch people's attention. Okay, and then if you wanted to, you can add emojis into here. You can add your hashtags. So let's see if I can add some emojis. Okay, so we can still do all of that. We can still add our hashtags, whatever we need to. I do like having little cheat sheets. So I actually have templates or like canned emails that I can easily pull up that have a list of hashtags that I can use. So then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to use these hashtags underneath that link. And then there's really just one that I'm going to remove. So now I'm just going to post this. It's going to post on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. And that's all you have to do. So just rotate through them, try different catchphrases, different options, post these kind of links in different groups, and see what kind of leads you can start generating. Let me know if you have any specific areas you want me to create a video on.